चैनल मैं हूं सूरज चौधरी। मैं आपको बताऊंगा आज ह्यूमन हेड के बारे में। ठीक है, तो ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर एवरी क्लास। ओके, स्पेशली दिस वीडियो इज मेकिंग फॉर द 10th क्लास। ओके, ICSE board and CBSE board including UP board also. Okay, so human head is also known as in the circulation of human head. Okay, double circulation also called human circulation, also called double circulation. Why the human circulatory system also called double circulatory system? Okay, our human head, we are human, so our head is four chambered. Okay, four chambered means our head is divided into four chambers. First one is right atrium and then left atrium, then right ventricle, then left ventricle. Okay, so it is the most important point that why human circulatory system is also known as double circulation. So in our body there are two things. First one is our head and second one is our lung. Okay, different from different part of body, blood goes into the our head. First point. Okay, different part of the body, our blood goes into the head, then from the head blood also goes in the lungs. In the lungs blood carry oxygen, then goes in the heart. After when the heart pump the blood and then blood goes to different part of the body. So double circulation means two times blood goes into the head. Okay, so let's start human circulatory system. In human circulatory system, this is the internal structure of human head. In human circulatory system there are superior vena cava, means two vena cava are also present in human circulatory system. First one is superior vena cava and second one is inferior vena cava. At the first, superior vena cava is also carry the blood of neck region. Okay, it carry blood of neck region and head region, neck region, head region and limbs region. Limbs means our hands. Okay, our hands are also known as limbs. Okay, so our superior vena cava take blood from neck region and head region and limbs region. So it send the blood into the right atrium, and inferior vena cava also takes blood from different part of the body, our lower part of the body. Okay, our lower parts of the body, inferior vena cava takes blood and it send into the right atrium. Then when the blood reached into the right atrium, it stay here. Okay, it stay here. Then what happen in our head? Our head's first chamber is right atrium. Here deoxygenated blood carried by different part of the bodies. Okay, through vena cava. Then through the vena cava, a tricuspid wall also occur here. A tricuspid wall also occur here, which open, then blood pass into the right ventricle. Okay, then blood pass into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, a semilunar wall also present into the pulmonary artery. Into the pulmonary artery, a semilunar wall also present. This one is your pulmonary artery. So from the right ventricle, blood goes into the pulmonary artery. Okay, here a wall also present known as semilunar wall. Why the wall is present? Because blood don't go inside any other part of the head. Okay, so here right atrium, pulmonary artery also present. You must remember that in the artery oxygenated blood flow, but in the pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood flow. This is the exceptions of human circulatory system. Okay, then our blood pass into the pulmonary artery through semilunar wall. Okay, after that blood goes into the lungs. When blood pass into the pulmonary artery and go outside from the head and goes into the lungs, here oxygen got mixed. Here oxygen got mixed with our blood. Then blood pass through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium. Okay, then blood pass into the left atrium. This is your fourth step. Okay, first step this one, second step this one, third one is the pulmonary artery. Through the pulmonary artery blood goes into the lungs. Then through the pulmonary vein blood goes into the left atrium. Here a wall also present known as bicuspid wall. Okay, here that means in left atrium a wall also present known as bicuspid wall. Okay, when the wall is opened, then the blood goes into the left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle. In the left ventricle oxygenated blood also occur, and in the left atrium also oxygenated blood occurs. At last blood goes into the aorta. Okay, at last blood goes into the aorta. From the aorta blood goes different part of the body. Okay, in the circulation it is very simple. First step, blood goes into the right atrium through the superior vena cava, then blood pass into the right ventricle, then blood goes through the pulmonary artery from outside our head, then goes into the lungs where blood mixed with the oxygen, then through the pulmonary vein blood enters into our left atrium, then when bicuspid wall open, then blood goes into the left ventricle, then at last in the aorta, through the aorta blood goes pass out through the head. Okay, this is the human circulatory system and this is the internal structure of human heart. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you got something from our video, so please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.